14 psychological tricks to get her to like you. I will be teaching you how to get a girl to like you from 10 psychological tricks you can implement. Making a girl attracted to you can be as easy as having an amazing life and asking her to join. But there are many other seduction techniques and persuasion methods to make her want to be your girlfriend. By the end of this, you should have your crush drooling to date you. 1. Have an abundance mentality. There are 7 to 8 billion people on this planet, and if you treat her like she's the only one, it shows how desperate you are. 2. Don't chase her, chase a better you. Trust me. Having two people chasing each other is way more beautiful than one chasing the other. If a girl doesn't like you, then change what you can and make yourself a better you. 3. Basic hygiene and manners. It's super simple to shower, shave, dress nice, and use common manners, and they go a long way. 4. Understanding simple attraction skills. Getting people to like you is a skill, and like playing the piano or cooking a mean omelet, you can get better through perfect practice. Knowing attractive body language, how to flow a conversation, and nailing the trust factor are all keys to going from getting a girl to like you to eventually making her fall in love with you. 5. Have your own life. This is literally the foundation of starting a great relationship and will give you the starting base to make her like you. Think of it like this. To be truly attractive, you need to have your own life by working on yourself. Imagine having such an amazing life and doing awesome things that you say, "Hey girl, I really like you and enjoy having you around, wanna stick around," and that's all it takes. Make your own personal life interesting and girls will flock. 6. Have an interesting hobby or passion. Your hobby can be anything that you're passionate about. Just make sure it's true passion and not faked. If I said I loved chainsaws and carving chainsaw art in my free time, but I actually didn't, the sparkle won't be there and the girl won't see it. 7. Ask her to do things for you. So this is definitely a secret tip, and maybe even a bit manipulative, but definitely not anything evil or negative. Just ask her to do something for you. You ask a girl to do something for you, she does it, she subconsciously likes you a bit more. You might be asking, why though? Well, when we do stuff for people, our brain thinks since we do something for someone, we must like them. Tip. Ask for things like picking up a pencil, for notes in class, giving someone a paper, and even small errands. Don't overdo it though, or she will feel like you're using her. 8. Make her laugh. A great way to tell if a girl likes you or is romantically interested in you is to look where her eyes dart when she laughs. If her eyes dart at you first when she laughs, she probably likes you at a subconscious level. This is an amazing trick to make anyone your girlfriend, but it'll also make guys like you too, increasing your rank on the dominance hierarchy, and ultimate increasing your status in a girl's eyes. 9. Be her friend. There is a big difference between being her friend and being friend-zoned. Also, I want to note, it's been proven and totally acceptable to be in the friend zone for months at a time and then move in and start dating. Go the extra mile and do stuff that makes her smile. Leave little notes in her car. Send her good morning texts. Talk her through her problems and sympathize with her. In fact, in doing these things, you're practically halfway dating her already. You just have to tell her you want her for the rest of your life and then you're basically set. Really, though, the best relationships lay their foundations in truth and friendship. 10. Break the touch barrier. Here's a good subconscious psychological tip that can work amazingly well in many situations. Touch her shoulder. Ask her for something and grab it out of her hand. Or make up some game that requires touch and play it with her, like rock, paper, scissors. Come up with a cool handshake if you have to. The idea is to make her know that you're willing to touch her in a non-sexual way because you feel comfortable around her and to get her reaction. If she seems disgusted or scared, don't touch her anymore. 11. Tell her secrets. Tell her a secret about you, something personal that not very many people know. This will open the door for trust, and as you tell her things about you, she will notice that you trust her, which in turn will make her trust you more. Psychologically, we like and trust people who trust us first, because we have a natural instinct to be wary of new people and to not trust them. So when you prove you trust her, she will start to reciprocate in the same fashion. 12. Give her all of your attention. In a world where your attention can go anywhere, it is one of the most valuable things you can give a girl. If you want her, pay attention to her, and not just for a couple minutes. Look her in the eyes when she's talking to you and make mental note of all the stuff she's talking about. If you can mention it in later conversations, she'll feel special and start to enjoy your presence. 13. Beef up your confidence game. Girls love it when a guy shows that he's not offended or constantly worrying about what other people think. If you're here searching how to get girls to like you, then being more confident in your thoughts and your actions is a surefire way to be more attractive to anyone. 14. Similarity attraction effect. You can use this to your benefit too. The trick is to listen to the girl you're talking to very carefully and simply highlight the things that you have in common. She says she likes country music? Let her know your favorite band. To get your crush to like you, even do some research beforehand and find out what she likes and check them out. But be genuine. If you say you like something she likes, but are just saying it to win her over, she will eventually figure you out. Studies have proven this effect over and over again, and it can be from things like favorite colors to attitudes, to even haircuts. I suspect this is because if they are more like us, then they are more predictable, and from a psychological perspective our brains think they are safer people.